Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to make a beautiful plastic canvas bag, step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need plastic canvas sheets, a tapestry needle, yarn or embroidery thread, scissors, and a button or Velcro for closure. Now, cut the plastic canvas into the required shapes to identical pieces for the front and back, to side panels, a bottom piece, and a flap if you want one. Using a simple stitch, start decorating your panels with colorful yarn. You can use a basic cross stitch or any pattern you like. Once your panels are stitched, join them together by sewing along the edges using a whip stitch. This will secure your bag and give it a neat look. Now, attach handles using yarn or plastic canvas strips. Finally, sew on a button or Velcro for closure, and your handmade plastic canvas bag is ready. Great job! You've just made your own plastic canvas bag. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIY projects.